Happiness with your friends.
No es realmente
KLON, Los Angeles. Clone Radio. We play the songs that sound more like everyone else than anyone else. Clone.
Hey, alright, it's Kip Casper, Clone Radio. LA's infinite repeat. How we feeling out there? How's your drive time commute? I need a saga. What's the saga? It's songs for the deaf. You can't even hear it.
When I go, I'm gonna take this wave off into the sunset. When I get there, man, I'll never get wet. I'm gonna step right up into the other side, and then I'm gonna take it. Then I'm gonna make it. Gonna take this time, gonna take it all to find my mind. Gonna find out how she's been and tell her how much I missed her since she's gone.